Oaty protein bites. Use them as a snack or use them for breakfast. Grab your ingredients. I use Stockwell muesli, some peanut butter. I threw some protein powder in there, although oats obviously full of protein. I had some Choc left up the cupboard. I mixed it with a bit of honey just to bind it all together. And here it is. So simple this. I didn't even video the procedures. Basically, you put all of the ingredients in the bowl, mix it together, and then turn it out into this, refrigerate, and it's ready to go first thing in the morning. So you can see, nice and easy. Total cost on this for this whole bit, which I've kind of portioned off into quite small portions, but you might want to go bigger. I tend to have them as a snack. If you want them as like a breakfast bar, you might get 4 out of that. I did see in the supermarket a box of 4 by a well-known brand, £2.50. Total cost of this was less than 50p. So it speaks for itself. And it literally just took me about 3.5 minutes to whack that together. I didn't weigh anything. I just put my wet ingredients in the bowl, added in the dry ingredients until it was at this kind of consistency, this kind of texture, and it was done. Really simple. Definitely something you can do in the motorhome, definitely something you can do to save money. Here's what I like to do once they're done. Take a knife, just cut it into portions, snap a little portion out, and then you can pop them into your plastic Tupperware. If you space them well, and then I can pop them in the freezer. And there we have it. Protein bites ready for eating at a moment's notice.